couple of days to prepare for weather we haven't seen around here since the mid-'80s.
Yeah, you remember that time, right?
I do.
It was
high
cold.
school.
Yeah, 82, 83 we had a stretch, 89 we had the stretch, but this day after day after day of freezing numbers we have not had in 3 decades. So a lot of people have no clue what we're in for. So we're going to try to we're going to try to get you there. Not many sunsets tonight, as you can imagine. However, take a look at this shot from Victor out at the airport. That's something, isn't it?
Wow.
That's beautiful. And weirdly, you almost have an American flag going on.
Oh, yeah. Look at that.
Red, white, and blue there. All right. Thanks for that. Temperatures continue to be on the cold side. You can subtract 7 degrees from whatever your thermometer says because those winds out there are making it feel even colder. 39, 42 at Hobby, 40 at Sugar Land, 47 in Galveston. So tomorrow generally hovers around 40. We start out at 36 in the morning, 39 at 10, 41, 42, 41. Looking at 10, 20% chance of a little leftover drizzle. But generally cloudy and cold all the way through. That storm system that moved through this evening has gotten on out of here. I can see not much else going on there, but I want you to notice this. This is the low pressure system that's going to create this nightmare on Monday. See that spin right there? That is a well-defined low. It's going to move right across the Rockies, right into Texas, pick up this Pacific moisture, pull in some Gulf moisture, and that's going to be the problem as we get into Monday. So here we go. Tomorrow, cold and cloudy, as I said, and Saturday too. Not much really changes Saturday, except we do get more of a north wind coming down, so that Arctic air really begins to surge in here, and that goes through the column of air, which means it really saturates things with cold air, so that when this Pacific moisture gets here, and this is Sunday morning, we may see a little bit of winter drizzle, at least sleet, maybe a little snow up in Dallas area as early as Sunday morning, but it's really the big show that starts on Sunday night. This is 9 p.m. You can see there's the ice and the snow. That continues to move in. This is 7 a.m., rain along the coast, and then ice through Houston, snow back through Dallas, 2 to 4 inches from Waco to Dallas. But it's really looking like ice for us. And then the really cold air comes in here on Tuesday, and another shot at some snow as we move into Wednesday. So let's talk about the snow for Monday, which really, I think it's going to be ice. That's just the potential, and really this factors in the ice. So as we look at just the ice, we've put together this graphic, and you can see these pinks. Now, you're looking at 1/10 of an inch of ice, 2/10, 3/10, 3 to 4/10. That's the accumulation. But I want to add this to it. At 1/10 of an inch of ice, you have slick roads. That's what they had in the Dallas-Fort Worth area today. So that's all it takes is a little bit of ice. You get to almost 1/2 inch of ice, you have tree damage and power lines going down. And that, certainly with this darker pink, is the potential that we're going to have to watch out for as we move into Monday. So it's really all about a major ice storm. And that's going to happen into Valentine's night, especially Monday, President's Day. Don't plan on travel until we get closer and we can tell you it's safe, because right now it looks like it's not going to be. And then on Tuesday, more sunshine, but very cold. There's that 70% chance of snow, maybe some ice. Then on Wednesday, we don't get out of this until finally the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, we go back into the 60s and the 70s. A long stretch of dangerously cold weather. Yeah.